Looking for the best Dell laptop in 2025? Whether you need a high-end creative workstation, a reliable business machine, a gaming powerhouse, or a budget-friendly laptop, Dell has a model for every user. Let's dive into the top Dell laptops of the year and find the perfect fit for you. Dell Inspiron 14 Plus, the best budget performance laptop. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is a budget-friendly powerhouse, offering great specs without the hefty price tag. It features a 14-inch 2.2K display with an anti-glare coating, perfect for students, office workers, and casual creators who need a clear and vibrant screen for work and entertainment. Under the hood, you get an Intel Core i7-1360P processor, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU, making it capable of light gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. It comes with a 512GB SSD for fast storage and quick boot times. Battery life is excellent, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge, and Express Charge technology lets you power up quickly when needed. The backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader add extra convenience and security, making this an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers who still want great performance. Find the best pricing in the description. Dell XPS 15-9530, the ultimate premium laptop for professionals and creators. The Dell XPS 15-9530 is a top-tier laptop that's built for power users, creative professionals, and multitaskers. Featuring a stunning 15.6-inch 4K OLED Infinity Edge touchscreen, this laptop delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and razor-sharp clarity, making it ideal for photo editing, 4K video production, and 3D rendering. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Core i9-1390H processor, paired with up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, ensuring smooth performance even for heavy creative workloads and gaming. The 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage speeds, while dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, an SD card reader, and Wi-Fi 6E support keep you connected to all your essential peripherals. Despite its power, the XPS 15 remains ultra-slim and lightweight, making it one of the most portable high-performance laptops on the market. If you want a premium laptop that excels in both performance and design, the XPS 15-9530 is your best bet. Check the description for the latest deals. Dell Inspiron 147440, the best 2-in-1 convertible laptop. The Inspiron 147440 is a versatile 2-in-1 convertible laptop that adapts to your needs, whether you want a traditional laptop, a tablet, or a tent mode for media consumption. Its 14-inch FHD Plus touchscreen offers vibrant colors and great responsiveness, making it ideal for note-taking, sketching, and presentations. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16GB RAM, and Intel Arc integrated graphics, it's optimized for smooth everyday performance, light creative work, and entertainment. It comes with Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast connectivity, a stylus for digital note-taking, and Dolby Atmos dual speakers for immersive audio. With up to 13 hours of battery life, this laptop is perfect for students, creatives, and professionals on the go. If you need a powerful and flexible laptop with touchscreen functionality, the Inspiron 147440 is a fantastic choice. Check out the link in the description. Alienware M18 R2, the best Dell gaming laptop for extreme performance. If you want next-level gaming power, the Alienware M18 R2 is an absolute monster of a gaming laptop. It features a massive 18-inch QHD plus 165Hz display with G-Sync, delivering ultra-smooth gameplay with stunning visuals. At its core, it's powered by an Intel Core i9-1490HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU with 16GB VRAM, making it one of the most powerful gaming laptops available. Whether you're playing AOA games at max settings, streaming, or running VR applications, this laptop delivers insane performance without compromise. It also comes with 64GB DDR5 RAM, a 2TB SSD, and an advanced cooling system featuring vapor chamber technology and custom heat pipes, ensuring cooler temperatures during long gaming sessions. The full mechanical RGB keyboard provides precise input, while Alien FX lighting customization lets you personalize your setup. If you want the best Dell gaming laptop in 2025, the Alienware M18 R2 is a no-brainer. Find the best pricing in the description. Dell Latitude 7350. The best business laptop for professionals. For business users, the Dell Latitude 7350 is an ultra-premium business laptop designed for efficiency, security, and portability. Featuring a 13.3-inch OLED touchscreen, it delivers excellent brightness and color accuracy, perfect for business presentations, video calls, and everyday work tasks. Under the hood, it runs on an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with AI-powered efficiency features that optimize battery usage and system performance. It comes with 32GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, ensuring fast boot times and seamless multitasking. The Latitude 7350 is packed with enterprise-grade security features, including fingerprint and IR facial recognition, Intel vPro remote management, and a secure privacy screen that prevents others from peeking at your display. With all-day battery life, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and a lightweight magnesium chassis, this laptop is a top-tier choice for business professionals. Check the description for exclusive offers. If you need the best premium Dell laptop, go for the XPS 15930. Want great performance on a budget? The Inspiron 14 Plus is an excellent choice. For versatility and touchscreen flexibility, the Inspiron 14740 is unbeatable. If you're a hardcore gamer, the Alienware M18 R2 is the best gaming laptop of the year. And for business professionals, the Latitude 7350 offers security, portability, and power. Which Dell laptop is your pick? Let us know in the comments. Check the description for links to all the featured models.